Okay, so we're going to look at how to make a dot plot and a box plot using Google Sheets. So I've already entered the data that I'm going to be using for my example. And then in the column next to the data, we're going to enter the frequency, which is what you need for a dot plot. So I have 1, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7s, 1 7.5, 1 8 or 2 8s, 1 8.2 8.5, and 1 9. So next to each number, we're showing how many times that appeared as we count down. And then you're going to highlight both columns, click the Insert Chart button, and you're going to change the chart to a scatter chart. It did come up as a suggestion here, but also I can find that down here underneath the pie charts. So this is the one that you want that shows each value and then the dots at that value. And that is the dot plot. We're now going to do the box plot. So for the box plot on Google Sheets, you don't use a median. You use your min, your Q1, your Q3, and your max. So you can find these on your own from your data set and just type in the numbers, but if you want to do the formulas, I'll show you the formulas. So if I put equal min A1 to A18, although I think in your case it's going to be A20, it will factor that. And then if I type equals quartile A1 colon A20 comma 1, it will do the first quartile. And then if I do the same thing for Q3 equals quartile, parenthesis A1, A18 for mine, but yours is probably 20, and then comma 3 for third quartile. And then I can do equals max A1 to A18. And again, you should probably be using 20 for your values. I believe you had 20 in your data set. So if you wanted to just find those things manually and type the number in, that would work as well. And then the box plot wants you to have a fifth column. So I just title this one here in C in front of all of this. I just called it data. And now I'm going to highlight this row across that has data and then my min, Q1, Q3, and max value. Insert chart. And then I'm going to go to the chart type and I'm going to scroll down and pick this one in the other section called a candlestick chart down here on the right. And that is the box plot. And those are the two graphs that you need to be able to make on Google Sheets.